Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shirin Kazi. This is Learn Well Smart All-in-One Textbook, Standard 2nd, Semester 2nd. GK, Lesson number 3, Changes in Mother Nature. Mother Nature is just like us. As we express our feelings, so does Mother Nature. Sometimes we cry or get angry, and sometimes we smile and laugh. Mother Nature also expresses her feelings like smile, laugh, and anger. Indeed, her expressions differ from us. Let us see how she expresses herself. Match each name with the pictures and number it. Snow, snow. Hail, hail. Dust storms, dust storms. Lightning, lightning. Rain, rain. Tsunami, tsunami. Earthquake, earthquake. Volcano, volcano. Flood, flood. Landslide, landslide.